In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a message on ChatGPT step by step, so you can quickly fix a prompt, correct a typo, or improve your message without starting over. This is a super useful feature if you want to make your conversation cleaner, clearer, and more accurate in just a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT and go to the chat that contains the message you want to change. Make sure you're in the right conversation, because the edit option only appears on messages you've already sent in that chat. Once you find the message, move your mouse over your sent message. When you hover over it, you should see some options appear near the text. Next, look for the pencil icon, which is the edit button. Click that pencil icon to open the message in edit mode. This is where ChatGPT lets you revise your original text instead of making a brand new message. It's really helpful if you noticed a spelling mistake, forgot to include important details, or just want to rephrase your question for a better response. After you click the edit icon, a text box will appear with your original message inside it. Now simply modify your text however you want. You can delete words, add new information, correct grammar, or rewrite the entire prompt if needed. Take your time here, because even a small change can make a big difference in the quality of the answer you get back from ChatGPT. Once you're happy with the updated message, look for the Save and Submit button and click it. As soon as you do that, ChatGPT will save your changes and submit the edited message into the conversation. From there, the chat will continue using your updated version instead of the original one. And that's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can edit a message on ChatGPT, clean up your prompt, and make your conversation much more effective. This is a great trick for anyone who uses ChatGPT regularly, whether you're writing, researching, brainstorming, or just testing ideas. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.